Hey, it's me again, your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. Welcome back to my page, welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that like button and just get into the video. Today we're doing a simple set with these BTArtboxnails soft gel soak off XCOATTIPS tips. The 3-in-1 soft gel system. It comes with glue, it comes with a builder gel, and it comes with a top coat and a nail lamp and a file. Now I had already used the builder gel and the top coat in another set, so that's why this one is missing, but it does come in the kit. The file also comes in there. Here's the portable nail lamp that you can use. It does come with its own charging cable, but it does not come with a charger head. The length on the cable is very long, so you shouldn't have any trouble using it. But because I'm doing this in travel mode, I'm literally at the airport recording this, I'm going to use my more functional nail lamp that I found with a gooseneck and censored, that I can use more freely because I don't have a charging head for this particular one. Okay, so let's get into the rest of the box. What else is in here? I'm gonna put that away. I already showed you the top coat. It does come with a twin bottle of builder gel as well. These are the XCOATTIPS nail tips. They are in a almond shape. They look very beautiful on the site. I got these off of Amazon.com. Everything I'm showing you, I will link below in the description. Okay. Here are the usual instructions on pretty much all BTArtboxnail kits, whether it's the toenail kits or the fingernail tips. They pretty much have the same instructions with probably a slight variation of how you apply the nails. But yeah, you prep your nails, do all the steps, apply the tips, cure dry fully, add your own nail art. If you want to keep the French design, make sure you put a builder gel on top of it and a top coat to seal in any designs that you put on and the original design that the nail tips came with. Okay, so yeah, the general instructions that are across the board for all of BTArtbox's nail tips. Okay, so let's go ahead and open these up and see what we got. But yeah, I love their nail tips. You get such a professional look right off the top just putting these on. So I can take my chewed up fingernails and make them look professionally done in like 20 minutes. This kit also comes with looks like a card of some sort. Oh, okay. Like if you need further help or have other questions, you can look at that card to get more information on how to contact them for any questions that you may have related to the nail tips themselves. Okay. So, oh, and I was showing you that it does come with a nail file that's 100 over 180 grit nail file. 100 is of course the more coarse side and 180 is the more finer side, but this is a universal 100 over 180 nail file that pretty much everybody uses, and it's most generally used nail file I've seen. It also comes with a full color pamphlet, also kind of showing you what the process is of applying these nails, and you give a 50% off coupon if you shot them out on what it looks like to be TikTok. So I'm going to definitely do that because I really do like shopping for their nail tips. And it also gives you a QR code for the tutorial as well on this full color card. And of course, if you have questions about the nail tips, of course you can contact them, which they have left their contact information on the back of the full color card as well. All right, so let's look at these tips. They are so pretty. They come in different color tones. Like I'm a darker person. I have a highly pigmented skin, so I like to pick the more darker shades of neutral colors, such as this pink here. They do have a lighter pink shade as well, and they do come in a square, and I want to say a short square as well for this particular style of nail, as far as the French tip size. French tip style. Can't talk. And as you can see, they're already pre-etched. This is why on the instructions it says that no filing needed before applying the nails, which is amazing. And look how natural this looks just by me just testing out the nail. And I have bigger and wider nail beds, so 0 is perfect for my thumb and any of the other finger sizes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out these sizes right now as I am showing you right now. And these nail tips are so beautiful. Okay, just stay tuned. I'm gonna pick out my sizes and I'll be right back. Stay tuned. Okay, so now that I have picked out my sizes, now I'm going to start applying the nails to my fingernails. So the nail system that I received did not have this in the kit. Or did I use it? Did I take it out of the kit previously and started using it on some other nails? I'm not really sure. I'll have everything in the description below. You can figure out whether or not this gel nail glue comes with it. I'm pretty sure it did, and I forgot to mention that earlier. So, and another thing that I did not do before starting to apply these nails was I went ahead and clipped my nails. I pushed back my cuticle, but I did not buff the nail tips. So these nails actually ended up coming off the very next day, just like it was like put on using like some oil or something. So be mindful before you apply these nails. Make sure you buff the nail surface so that the adhesion of the nail tips can last longer. That if there's one thing you do forget to do, don't forget to buff the nail surface before applying the nail tips. Otherwise, they're gonna pop right off because the nail surface is too smooth for the nail to adhere to. So you want to buff it so it has something to grab onto. So, okay, just continue watching me apply these nails. What I'm doing, I'm applying the glue to my fingernail. I have already prepped the nails for the most part, except I forgot to buff my nail surface. And then I'm curing under my gooseneck lamp for 30 to 60 seconds to cure the nail onto the nail fully. Okay, all right, stay tuned. Okay, so now I'm continuing to apply the nails. I'm gonna let y'all finish watching that. I just wanted to pop in and say that I found putting a generous amount of nail glue spread across the nail bed itself instead of on the nail tip helped with the generation of bubbles. I didn't get any bubbles with this method of applying the thicker gel nail glue. It definitely helped with the adhesion, and it applied very seamlessly, no air bubbles at all. Okay, just want to pop in and say that. Just stay tuned while I finish putting these on to my fingernails. All right, stay tuned. Okay, these nails have applied beautifully. As you can see, I love how natural the nail bed tone looks on me. It just, I don't know, it just gives it something. It's just really, really pretty. So now I'm shaving down those little nubby or knobby tips that were left on the nails from pulling it off the tray. As you can see, I did apply a couple of the fingernails crooked, so just be careful about how you apply them. Once you cure them, they are on, at least for a day or two if you do it way I do. The way I did was pretty much like a pop-off method if you don't do your buffing before you apply the nails. But yeah, other than a couple of crooked ones, not really that bad. I think these turned out beautifully. Like I said, I'm just gonna shave off those knobby pieces on the tips of the nails and then continue on with the rest of the decoration of the nail. Okay, yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so now I've decided to do some flowers on the nails themselves. I'm gonna use these spring themed, I don't know what kind of flowers they are. I think they're daisies maybe? I don't know. They're really cute flowers. They got that textured feel to them. They're kind of, what is the word? Embossed or raised. And you know that's the going theme for this particular spring and summer season. Yeah, so I'm gonna apply these to the fingernails. Each one of the fingernails is gonna get a different color. And then I'm going to apply some top coat over the flowers and the nails to seal in the design and the stickers. And it will give me a very cute embossed textured nail effect. That's really pretty. Okay, yeah, just stay tuned while I finish this out and I'll pop back in at the end. Okay. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm getting down to the last two fingers of putting stickers on. My daughter reaches in to help me pin that one down. I couldn't quite get it off of the tweezers there. So now I'm gonna apply the last flower to the pinky on my left finger here. And I think these are so flipping cute. Excuse the background, y'all. I'm literally working in my lap at the airport, waiting on a flight. But anywho, so now I'm about to go in with that top coat that is included in the kit that I bought. I don't know what I did with builder gel. I'm sure it's in my bag somewhere. I just didn't feel like digging it out. And I think top coat suffices as a sealant for us sealing in the design overall. So I'm gonna put that top coat on each of the fingers and cure them for 30 to 60 seconds to allow them to fully dry. Just remember to apply the top coat on the nail bed itself, overall the design, and across the top of the nail to seal in the design. Okay, yeah, so stay tuned. Okay, so this is the nail tips. As I said before, I think they are super cute. It's giving spring, it's giving summer, and it's giving class. I love it. My nails look so much better now that traveling. I wanted to look nice when I arrived at my new home. So yeah, these are the nail tips. Again, these are BTArtbox X Gel nail tips. Everything used will be linked in the description below. If you like what I put out here, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is your girl VanZeig, aka Vanessa. I'll see y'all next time. Vanessa out. Peace.